Otter.ai versus Happy Scribe, which is better? Otter.ai and Happy Scribe are two of the most popular AI transcription tools, but which one is the right choice for you? Let's break it down. Otter.ai is primarily built for professionals who need real-time transcription, collaboration, and meeting note automation. It integrates seamlessly with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, making it ideal for business meetings, students, and journalists. It offers speaker identification, live transcription, and an AI-powered summary feature. The free plan provides 300 minutes of transcription per month, but the accuracy drops significantly in noisy environments or with complex accents. Paid plans improve accuracy and allow for more transcription minutes. Happy Scribe, on the other hand, is a more versatile tool catering to content creators, podcasters, and video editors. It supports over 120 languages and provides automatic and human-made transcription options, with the latter boasting near-perfect accuracy. Unlike Otter.ai, Happy Scribe does not focus on live transcriptions, but excels in high-accuracy post-production transcripts with customizable timestamps and subtitle formatting. It supports multiple export formats, making it a better choice for those working with video content. Accuracy and performance. Happy Scribe generally offers better accuracy, especially with diverse accents and industry-specific jargon, thanks to its AI model and human proofreading service. Otter.ai is faster for real-time transcription, but struggles with precision in challenging audio conditions. Pricing. Otter.ai offers a freemium model with paid plans starting at around $10 per month, while Happy Scribe operates on a pay-as-you-go basis, charging per hour of transcription. If you need ongoing transcription for meetings, Otter is the more cost-effective option. If you need occasional, high-accuracy transcripts, Happy Scribe is worth the investment. Which one should you choose? If you're a business professional, student, or journalist who needs live transcription and meeting notes, Otter.ai is the better fit. If you're a content creator, video editor, or someone requiring precise transcripts for post-production, Happy Scribe is the superior choice. Both tools have their strengths, but it ultimately depends on your needs, real-time efficiency or post-production accuracy. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments.